everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty frozen here in BC. So it's pretty icy, so if you're in the area, please be careful. It's not the best. It's really super cold and the wind makes it even colder, so it's pretty chilly. Alright, so today I have unboxings with the release of the new Nintendo Switch game, and so we'll see what I got. Alright, got my blade, and if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel when I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. And you definitely want to ring the bell so you don't miss out on when that happens, because it's gonna be great. Alright, so we got box number 1. Let's see what we got here. We're in. Okay, cool. I got Cat Mario. That is Amiibo. That goes with the new game that I'm going to be loving. These Amiibos are super hard to get, so if you're trying to find them, good luck, because I talked with EB Games, I talked with Best Buy, Amazon, eBay. Yeah, no dice. So luckily, Best Buy was able to find me the Amiibos, and you can only get one per customer, and that's what they told me, which is fine. I didn't really want more than that, but they're really super hard to find. I was willing to drive to Abbotsford to EB Games. They were super nice there. The one in Chilliwack wasn't as friendly. Not saying that they're mean, but the one in Abbotsford was the nicest, actually. When I said that I couldn't find Cat Mario, when the release comes out on the 12th, could you hold one for me? And they said that they couldn't really hold one. However, they gave me their name and number and said to call in the morning. And if they're there, they'll hold one for me for up to an hour. So I thought that was really nice. When I talked with the people in Chilliwack, they said no dice. You either come or you don't get it. So okay, thanks. Thanks for the great customer service, right? All right, we're in box number 2. Alright, and that is another Mario that I didn't order. Alright, so that one's got to go back. Alright, let's see what's in box number 3. Alright, that is Cat Peach, which is great, but I got no game. So they gave me a Mario Cat, but no game. So I'm going to have to send this one back, and hopefully my game is somewhere. But I did get the Amiibos. So that was cool. So that's a good start. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.